guys, what's up? It's XXVG. Welcome to another video. I'm doing Mope. I got a new gaming mouse. I got a new today, and I also got a new recording system, so that my videos aren't as glitchy. So hopefully it'll help. This is the first time I'm recording something with it, except for one time where I was experimenting with it. Well, not really. I wasn't really ready. So let's just start playing Mope.io because there's no birds. Wait, no. Well, that's a video which I did this morning, which you should watch, because this video isn't going to be published before 15 minutes, and anyways, if it is, no one's going to be watching it. Wait, I just got out of Mope. Okay, Mope.io. My name is not that. Okay. Play. Connecting to game. Well, lad. Well. Oh. Try with the new animal. Because there's now a chicken. Which is basically just a mouse, but I think it looks cooler. That's another bird which came out. Why would you want to bang into me right now? I know you can eat me, pig, and you can eat me, pigeon. But why would you? Why? I only have 30 XP. No. Yeah, I was eating. Try to. Oh. Well. Oh God! These are multiple bees. So can't interrupt them. Okay, you do you, I'll do me. The pigeon was moved down all the way to those guys. Too bad, pigeon. I'll try out the new pigeon. Oh, pigeon. You have changed. You have changed very much. No, do not eat these, lion. Lion! Look. This was a really bad idea to do that. I'm a big chicken. Okay, I'm a pigeon. No, I'm not big at all. Definitely not big. Like, I don't think I've played for the update yet, so it's pretty exciting. Okay. Nope. No, I really want to eat that bird food. Yeah, the bird food. That makes too much sense. So, I feel like these are cool birds. My opinion on the update, cool, except I can't really make that yet because I've only tried out one animal and one change to an animal. Sorry you had to go for this chicken. Oh yeah, I have Minecraft open. Let's change that. Get rid of its music. Do not eat me, gorilla, and we will be friends. Actually, we won't be friends. I'll just like you more. Okay, this time if I have a chance to be a bird, I'm going to be that bird. If you didn't know, penguins are birds. But why wouldn't you know? Penguins are birds. Do you know that penguins are birds? Okay. I will admit that I did think that the pigeon wasn't good enough to be 4th level. Anyways, I preferred the mole much more. Well, woodpecker, even though I do prefer the pigeon. And that is a macaw, which is now in the game. It now exists. Oh, come on, falcon. Oh, come on, pig, I'm gonna eat you. I don't care about how stinky you are. I don't care, I'm gonna eat ya. I'm gonna eat ya. Last time I didn't do a new bird. Or a bird which has been demoted. So... oh my god, it feels so weird to eat. No muskox. Okay, I should really get out of here. I didn't need anything with you guys unless I actually did. I did not. Why, bees? Why? No. You ain't get that done to me. Ugh, I hate those bees. Fun fact, in real life I've never been stung by a bee. I'm gonna be a flamingo. And I'm gonna eat this trout. Why would you want to eat me? Really? I'm just a flamingo. Now I'm gonna be probably back down to a penguin. Yeah, I'm a penguin. But the good news is that I'm almost a woodpecker, which I genuinely don't think that's good of an animal. Nope. I'm being abused. Well, in this game, at least, I am. The pigeon is a new, really weak animal, which is probably going to be made fun of. It feels so weird to be eaten by a pig when I'm a pigeon. Normally I'd be eating a pig. If you want to see the gaming mouse, it looks like this. So it looks cool. Back down to pigeon. That is a big bird. I think it's a cassowary. To be honest, that before I found this update, I didn't know what a cassowary was. And I still don't. I know it's a bird, but is it really that special? What's so special about that big bird? Do not sting me. I just want to be left alone. Just want to be left alone, munching down on the meats. I'm the penguin. I'm gonna do what penguins do. Eat. Eat your food. That's really bad. That's Discord thing. Which I ain't got time for that. Well, when I'm doing that, I'll look at it later, but not now. I ain't got time for that now. And I'm gonna leave me alone. I know that this guy's fake. I know you're a fake. Because if you weren't a fake, why would you still be a pigeon? And with Nation doesn't write like that. Oh, I almost got the tail bite. I normally do much better than this. It's probably because I'm recording. Or it's maybe because I'm not used to this new update. But most of the time when I play, if I just play for like, I don't know, 15 minutes, I can normally get to something as good as a hippo. So, yeah. So I guess that's the YouTube thing's the problem. Okay. Yeah, popsicle. You ain't need to do that, popsicle. You're just gonna die anyways. Yeah, gimme. Ugh, I hate the woodpecker. So many weaknesses. And all of that for not even that good of an animal. I know it has as many weaknesses as a mole, but what's so special about that pecking ability? And I know that can fly, but that isn't really that big of an ability. Just something which actually isn't too bad, but you can't move during it, and the opponents can escape. Oh dang it, it's a macaw. I hope I'm pronouncing that right, because I've never even heard of that one. Yeah. It barely stuns you though, so I don't really think that the ability is too good. Ugh, this guy is so annoying. Fizzy, you deserve to be eaten. I will eat you, even if it costs my life. I ate ya. I say that the deer's ability is better. But at least I get to be a flamingo, and also if you eat shrimp, I think you can like, get more pink. Oh, God, woodpecker. You're in it for it this time. Maybe not this time. Yeah, you're in for it this time. Oh my god, I am so close to being the animal. Well, at least I was. Because that guy was biting me a bunch. I know that this doesn't really have anything to do with it, but don't be that guy who kills someone. If you play Mope.io, don't be that guy who kills someone if you won't really get that much EXP from it. Because most likely they worked hard for it, except I didn't. Yeah. And also, it was reasonable to do that. Look at the 2 birds which can eat me. They're so birdie. Wow, that was really acidic. Well, that's not a word, but still, that was really acidic. This stone will heal me. I knew that, but still, it'll heal me. Oh, it is a water animal. I thought it was a land animal. Huh. Okay, this'll be time consuming because I need to get to 2.1k until I get to the next animal. If there isn't a new bird, or I forget if there even is a bird on that line. Is the water one a... Why would the water one be a bird? Oh, it's a jelly. Yeah, unless they had a new one, that line doesn't have a bird. Yep, there is a new bird. Okay. Well, wait, I'm set back really... How am I set back that far? That just doesn't make any sense. I've like set 3 things back. Maybe it wasn't 3 things. But still! Just to tell you guys, if you were wondering, the day I'm recording this is Christmas. And I'm Jewish American. If you didn't know already, you probably do, but still. I'm a Jewish American, so it's not really that fun because nothing is opening. And actually I did get this on Christmas, but still. You just get it because people send stuff to you. I do appreciate it, but still. Nothing to do because everything's closed. I did go to one party, but I also went to one last night, which was probably funner. But hopefully the person who went to the morning party isn't watching anyways. Hopefully she doesn't care if she is. Nope, polar bear. Nope. Nope. Dang it. This is getting kind of annoying. But let's just keep going. At least there was a small ladder. But I wish there wasn't that. And I wish I didn't know I was recording this, so then I'd do much better. Well, he was 2 levels below me, and so I kinda did need him. Well, I didn't really need him, but I wanted to eat him. I want him to die first so then I can eat him. You know what? I want that EXP. I just want it. Yeah, die! Die! I got to eat it. Nice. I'm almost the next animal. Well, flamingo. I'm almost flamingo. Yeah, I really deserved that. But everyone else also did. They were picking at him. Yeah, I saw them picking at him. You were one of them, so you should have died with me. This is really not a good idea whatsoever, so I'm gonna run away and just pretend that nothing happened. Nothing to see here, folks. Nothing to see. Don't be that guy. Is it because it's Christmas? Probably. Settings or something. USA 3 or 4? 4, I guess. Okay. Just waiting for the ads to go by. Nope, a peacock can eat me. Nope, he's also can eat me. Full. Just trying to get to later animals. Probably doing better this round than any other round. What should I title the video? The Bird Challenge. I'll probably forget that when I title it. Still, it's a cool name. Well, for one which I thought of for like 5 seconds, but still. Actually, the Mope Bird Challenge. Tasties! I want to eat you woodpeckers. So, is that fine with you? No, it isn't. At least you gave me a straight answer. Actually, I gave myself a straight answer. You were so gonna do something to me. No, he actually didn't. Good woodpecker. Good woodpecker. Flamingo. Ugh. First I'm gonna pick up this stuff. Then I'm gonna go somewhere else. Burr, burr, burr. I'm a water animal in the Arctic. Wait. This water still works, even though it's too cold for you. Does it like damage you or something? Ugh. Yeah, it's too cold in the Arctic. That damages me. Hey, hey. Yes! Snowy owl, because I have to. Oh wait, a bunch of stuff was moved down. I'm doing that even though how good the other stuff is. And it's 2 below me. I say that that's the limit. Even though I still don't like bear. Well, at least the giraffe stayed the same. And a bunch of other stuff was moved down. Okay, I'm gonna go get that peacock. Oh my god, I've been hypnotized. Okay, well, still, that won't really help you now. Actually, I'm just gonna munch down on this. For now. Okay. That was a huge update. Well, there was a few updates, but still. They were huge. Okay, let's just try and get this going with. Doing much better now that there's only 70 players. The shark is my least favorite animal. Not about how it's hard to use or anything. I just always get killed by them. And also especially if they can't kill you, they still do kill you. Like I mean, if they aren't good enough to kill. And also I hate bees, but normally when that happens, you normally deserve it, but not always. But I was just eating their honey, so I didn't deserve it. Okay. Wait, guys. Excuse me. Guys. Oh, I'm flying? I'm flying! Going to go to the patches of pears because they give so much EXP. Nope.